jambalaya and the coffee spot. I feel a gumbo. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna see my share of me. Pick my guitar, the saxophone, the sousaphone, the guitar, the drums, and the flugelhorn. Son of a God, we have fun on the fire. Take it down there. Yeah, yeah. I played on the Stadtfest in the wonderful town of Reutlingen. And I meet a wonderful old saxophone player from Stuttgart, the wonderful Mr. Klaus Mahler. And then the other man I played saxophone and clarinet, it was the wonderful Daniel Standarding from the Bodensee. And on the sousaphone, the best looking sousaphone player of all the world from the Switzerland, the one and only Mr. Philip Welschner. And the hammer of the evening, my old friend Lothar Binder. Lothar Binder in the white clothes, a man with a white head and red shoes. And on the piano, a man, brother from Mr. Johan Mansambi, Swiss champion, Mr. Daniel Breitstein. And on the drums, the wonderful Miss Iris Oettinger. Yeah. And I sang jambalaya and the coffee spot and feel the gumbo. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna make my share of meal. Make my trumpet, the saxophone, the piano, the tuba, the guitar, the drums and the piano. Son of a God, we